Babu, an officer of this honorable court, and I would like to ask you very simple questions. You just require your direct answers. Yes or no. You are a police officer attached to the serious crime unit, correct, Mr. Milton? Yes, Your Honor. You are not the complainant in this matter, why? Please be audible.
I'm not the complainant.
Thank you. And you did not open the initial inquiry file in this matter, did you?
Since I was just an arresting officer, it was not my fault.
So you were not. Do you know the complainant in this case?
I don't know.
I've heard you mentioning President Ruto severally.
Yes, Your Honor.
Is it the complainant in this case?
I think that part can be answered well by the investigating officer.
Anyway, I asked you because you mentioned him, but so there was no anywhere where a complaint was registered in this matter.
I can't know because I was just instructed to go and
So
have to
yes or no?
I don't know.
Thank you. So you only acted on instructions from your superior, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Were they in writing as per the requirements of law?
It's not a must that they be in writing. They were oral instructions.
Your role was simply to accompany the operations team, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
You did not initiate this investigation yourself, did you?
No, we did.
You are not the one who received or verified the complaint, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Your Honor, I hope I'm not so fast.
It's okay.
Thank you. You cannot personally say who authorized the complaint, can you? You did not personally receive any report from the public about this video, did you?
No, we didn't.
You claim the accused was seen in a trending video, correct?
Yes.
Did you personally watch this video before the arrest?
I did not have enough time to watch the video.
So you just went to arrest, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
In your written statement,
Yes. Your Honor.
if you had watched the video, you would have said so in your statement, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
So as we sit here, you cannot tell this court when you first saw the video, can you? And you cannot confirm from your own knowledge whether the video was genuine or doctored, correct?
I can't tell you.
You also cannot tell when the video was uploaded, can you? Nor can you tell who uploaded it, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
You have mentioned in your statement that you proceeded to where the accused person was located, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you tell the court how he was located?
I can't because it was a different thing that was on that.
But you've mentioned in your statement how the accused was located, did you?
I'd say we monitored.
Using his phone, right?
I can't tell. Because it was a big team, so my work was arresting.
So in your statement, So his movements were being watched. Can you tell the court how the movement was being
I can't tell because I say my work was arresting. There was that team that was monitoring. So I didn't have time to meet with that person who was monitoring so that he can explain to me whether he was following him, whether he was sitting somewhere watching his movement.
Are you also confirming to this court that you committed an offense through use of computer system pursuant to section 46 of Computer Misuse and Cybercrime Act? Through the, by locating the accused person? When you arrested the accused person, did you conduct any search on him?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you aware that under section 48 of the Computer Misuse and Cybercrimes Act, a police officer needs a search warrant to search any person identified in the warrant before conducting an actual search?
Not necessarily in all instances.
Tell us in which instance, which law allows that?
There are sometimes that a police officer can do as
Accused person with, you need a search warrant.
I'm not aware of that charge because I was not the investigating officer.
I want to inform you that that charge, you need search warrant under the charge of publishing of defamatory matter contrary to section 194 as read with section 36 of the Penal Code. So having noticed that you violated several laws and committed several offenses while arresting the accused person, would you want the court to commit you to jail? Yes or no?
I didn't commit any offense.
You arrested the accused person in this center, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Specifically, you found him at a barber shop, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
At the time of the arrest, the accused was not using a phone, was he?
He was not using.
And he was not using a computer either, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
He was not in the process of recording or uploading anything, was he?
He wasn't.
You did not recover any device from him at the barber shop, did you?
He had his phone, but I didn't recover it at that time.
And you did not see him operating any social media account, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
There was no evidence of him managing TikTok at the time, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
The arrest was purely based on information from your superior, correct?
Correct, Your Honor.
You did not apply for a search warrant for the accused's electronic devices, did you? Yes or no?
No.
You did not seize his phone during the arrest, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you did not seize any laptop or tablet from him, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
You did not forward any of his devices to the cyber forensics lab, correct?
I can't answer that question.
Yourself. Yes or no, yourself. You
Yes,
can
Your
answer
Honor.
because you know.
Yes, Your Honor.
So you did not forward any of his devices to the cyber forensic lab.
Yes, Your Honor.
You did not obtain a forensic report linking him to the accounts, did you?
I didn't, Your Honor.
And you did not request TikTok for subscriber information, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
You did not request the registration details of @Riba News, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Because you mentioned it in your statement. And you did not request the registration details of @Sasa underscore TV underscore KE underscore backup either, correct?
That is some information to me.
Just answer me yes or no. We don't need the drama that you're starting.
Yes, Your Honor.
You did not request the IP addresses used to log into those accounts, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
You did not trace the email addresses or phone numbers used to open those accounts,
Yes,
correct?
Your Honor.
So you have no evidence that those accounts belong to the accused, do you?
As an arresting
Yes,
officer,
yes or no?
that was
according
not
to-
part of my work.
Very good.
Yes, Your Honor.
So you have no evidence to those accounts according to.
Yes, I don't have Your Honor.
Thank you. You cannot confirm that the accused owns a TikTok account, can you?
I can't, Your Honor.
You cannot show the court any username belonging to him, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
You have no evidence that he created at River News, do you?
I don't have.
You have no evidence that he created at Sasa underscore TV underscore KE backup, is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
You have no evidence that he had the password to any of those accounts, correct?
Correct, Your Honor.
You never saw him log in to either of those accounts, did you?
I did, Your Honor.
No one ever told you directly that those accounts belonged to him, correct?
Correct, Your Honor.
You did not interview anyone from TikTok, did you?
I did, Your Honor.
You did not interview anyone claiming ownership of the accounts, right?
Right, Your Honor.
You cannot point to any specific false statement authored by the accused, can you? You cannot show that the accused drafted any of the captions, correct?
Correct, Your Honor.
You cannot say the accused uploaded any of the alleged video, can you?
Thank you.
You cannot even prove that the accused had internet access at the time, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
So you have no personal knowledge of him publishing false information, do you?
I don't know.
You are aware the charge also alleges operating a telecommunication service, correct?
I'm not aware of that, Your Honor.
The accused was not found with any broadcasting equipment, was he?
No, Your
You did not recover any server, router, or network equipment from him, did you?
Honor. I did, Your Honor.
You did not see him transmitting signals, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
You cannot define for this court what a telecommunication service is, can you?
No, Your Honor.
You cannot show that the accused conveyed speech, sound, or images via his own telecommunication system, correct?
Correct, Your Honor.
At most, you relied upon was a video on social media, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
You did not download the video yourself, did you?
I did.
You cannot show this court the source from which the video was obtained, can you?
I can't, Your Honor.
You cannot confirm whether the copy of the video in evidence is the same as the original, correct?
Correct, Your Honor.
You cannot rule out that the video was altered before you saw it, correct?
Correct, Your Honor.
You cannot rule out that the video was shared out of context, correct?
Correct, Your Honor.
You cannot prove that the video clip was not edited, can you?
I can't, Your Honor.
You are relying on a video circulating on social media, not one retrieved from TikTok itself, correct? Correct?
No, Your Honor.
You are aware that June 2024, was a politically charged period in Kenya, correct?
Correct, Your Honor.
There were nationwide Gen Z protests at that time, correct?
Correct, Your Honor.
Many young people were being arrested during that period, correct?
Not a very
In Kenya, not any other country.
Not sure.
You cannot deny there was political pressure from the police, can you?
There was
Yes
pressure,
or no?
but I can't know whether it was on police.
Thank you, but there was pressure somewhere.
Yes, Your Honor.
Your orders were to arrest, not to investigate thoroughly, correct?
True, Your Honor.
You cannot rule out that this arrest was part of a wider crackdown, can you?
I can't, Your Honor.
In your entire testimony, you have not provided a single piece of direct evidence linking the accused to TikTok, correct?
Correct, Your Honor.
You have not shown any forensic evidence, have you?
I'm not sure.
You have not produced any documentary evidence, have you?
No, Your Honor.
You have not produced any expert report, correct?
Correct, Your Honor.
Your entire evidence is based on instructions from your superior, right?
Right, Your Honor.
So in truth, you cannot say that the accused committed any of the offenses charged, can you?
The investigator will tell that.
Can you? Yes or no? So in truth, you cannot say that the accused committed any of the offenses charged, based on the questions that you just answered above. Can you?
Most of those
Yes or
questions
no?
you asked me are not mine. So it was not my work, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor, that's all.
Good morning, Mr. Newton.
Morning.
Is it still your evidence in this court that what you're telling the court is the truth and nothing but the truth? So far. So you've said that you've not read the charge sheet.
Yes, Your Honor.
So let me give you the benefit of reading the first count. Count one. Could you read just the first part?
Publishing of defamatory matter contrary to section 194 as read in section 36 of the Penal Code.
Section 194. So in your training, are you taken through the criminal procedure code?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you confirm to the court that you are very much conversant with that code?
I practice it.
You practice it.
Yes, Your Honor.
It is part and parcel of you.
Yes, Your Honor.
So are you aware that for you to make an arrest on an allegation of defamation, you need a warrant of arrest?
I'm not aware.
Yet you practice civil criminal procedure code. So if I inform you that under Schedule 1 of the criminal procedure code, for you to make an arrest for that offense, it is mandatory that you get a warrant of arrest.
Unfortunately, the offenses are drafted after the arrest has been made.
Okay.
So at the time of arrest, and since I was not the investigating officer, I was not part of the drafter of the charge sheet.
So you can just break the law simply because the charges are not being prepared.
I have not said that I'm in a position to break the law.
So I put it to you that you needed a warrant of arrest to make an arrest for that offense.
Now I do.
Ignorance is not a defense. So are you telling the court that you committed an offense?
No,
And
Your Honor.
therefore you should be committed to jail?
My Honor.
Okay. Counsel asked you whether you conducted a search on the accused, and you admitted that you did search the accused.
Yes, Your Honor.
And I'm very impressed with your grasp of the special circumstances under which you can conduct a search without a search warrant. Did you mention that the special circumstance?
Yes, Your Honor.
And I know that you are also taken through the National Police Service Act in your training.
Yes, Your Honor.
So under Section 60, just to tell you, you are allowed in some special circumstances to conduct a search warrant, correct? And in that instance, are there things you need to do before you conduct that special that search under special circumstances? You need to produce a certificate of conduct, yeah?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you produce it while conducting that search?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is it anywhere in court?
My certificate of
Appointment.
I have it. I have it.
So how will the court know that you acted according to the law?
I can confirm because I'm under oath.
Why is it? Because court is moved by evidence.
Should I remove it?
You ought to have produced it.
This is the first
You
time
have-
I'm hearing about that.
Oh, interesting. So you're confirming to the court that you've been breaking the law?
No, Your Honor.
Did you show it to the accused before you conducted a search?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you sure?
Yes, Your Honor.
Interesting. Okay. Do you know PC Samuel Kamau?
I know him, Your Honor.
Have you seen his statement?
No, Your Honor.
Are you sure?
He's the investigating officer, so my part was just recording my statement as an arresting officer and giving.
Interesting. Has he testified already? Can I tell you that in his testimony he said that he was assisted by the Crime Research and Investigation Bureau, where you are, in tracing the suspect using his mobile number 0729-362-499, where he was located and arrested within Coyote.
I think you could explain
Of course, I'm
or
just informing
elaborate
you.
well on that
I'm
because
just informing you
now
that he made that.
it's okay. Not a joke.
So when you also confirmed that you work with Crime Research and Investigation Bureau,
No, Your Honor.
you are attached there.
No.
Where are you attached?
I introduced myself as an investigator based at Serious Crime Unit.
So having known that and having admitted that you are following these people, you are just following them to where they are going to conduct the arrest. Are you shocked that this guy was being traced using his mobile number?
I can't be shocked.
You are, which means that it is something that is common.
Because it was not my work, so I can't be shocked. So
So you are not shocked.
there are things to shock and
So you are not shocked that actually Kenyans are being traced without their knowledge using their mobile phones. You are not shocked.
you want to force me to get shocked.
So the last part. So when you arrested the accused, what did you tell the accused?
After introducing ourselves to him,
Mm.
we arrested him and we told him that we are escorting him to this headquarters because we must know where he is being taken to. Yes, sir.
So that is all you told him.
Definitely after that, that is the official information we told him apart from maybe just talking and doing because he had not committed an offense against him, so I can't have any grudge against him. We just talk as we go.
So are you aware that you're supposed to tell him of the reasons as to why you are arrested?
Yes, sir.
And you didn't tell him. You didn't commit an offense against him. Okay. What did you get from the accused when you searched him?
At that time, we had his phone, and the reason for such is not necessarily to recover whatever that person has, but because of security issues, we must search so that in case the arrested person has a weapon or anything dangerous, we disarm that person.
Did you take the phone?
I didn't take at that time.
So Did you know that without telling him the reason as to why you are arresting him, you are still violating the law?
Definitely, while arresting a person, you must tell that person the reason for arrest.
But you didn't. You've just told me that.
No, I said that you asked
You-
the last thing I told you.
Okay. So it seems that you really violated a lot of laws while conducting this arrest.
No, no.
How long have you been arresting people?
Since when I was
How many years?
around 9 years.
10 years. 10 years is quite a long time for you to lose this simple things, but it is okay. So when you escorted the accused to the DCI for interrogation and processing, so who did you hand him over to?
PC Samuel Kamau.
That is what you want. I
will be very brief with this witness, considering that my colleagues have spoken so much into the matter, and I appreciate their good work. Your Honor, first I wish to apologize profusely to the court for arriving late. I was before my Lord Justice Professor Sifuna in a civil matter. I should explain my absence when the matter was called up. With your permission, Your Honor, I'll proceed to thank you. Mr. Milton Mwanzi, that is your full names. PC.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. My name is Wamboi, Shadrach Wamboi. I represent Mr. Nuru Maloba alongside my learned colleagues. I have the single duty of also asking you some few questions. And your obligation, PC, is to just respond with a yes or no. If invited, you can offer further explanations. Are we in agreement to that extent? Are we in agreement to that extent?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, PC. Now, Mr. Milton Mwanzi, you mentioned that you have an experience of about 9 years in the police service. Is that correct? Thank you. You mentioned that you assist us in investigations while you are serving us at the DCI headquarters. Is that the position?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Now, in relation to Mr. Nuru Maloba, is this someone you know or knew before the day that you caused his arrest on the 11th day of June 2024?
I knew him via social media.
Thank you, thank you. You knew him via social media.
Yes, sir.
Could we be safe to mention that you knew him with regards to his political escapades as an enthusiast of Raila Amolo Odinga?
I can't say that.
Thank you. Now, I invite you, explain to Your Honor how you know Nuru Maloba via social media.
I used to see him trading
Thank you.
or making videos.
Yes.
Yes. General videos.
General videos. So these general videos speak to what in specific? Because you watch so many things, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
There is something outstanding about his consistency in these general videos, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
What is it? Please, you are informed, Your Honor.
Part of the general information is politics,
Yes.
trends in Kenya.
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you. So you know him largely due to his political activities within the Republic of Kenya. Is that correct?
I can't accept the term
Is
largely.
that correct? Yes, no,
No,
we are
Your
done.
Honor. No, Your Honor.
No, Your Honor. Thank you. What other activity other than politics have you seen him do on social media that you have been attracted to following him? Just explain to Your Honor.
I said trends, like to the cost of living,
Yes.
yes, and to other activities here and there.
The cost of living, was he advertising foodstuffs?
No,
or?
no.
Yes.
Talking the way the cost of living has risen.
Yes.
Yes, Your Honor.
Which is largely some political sentiments. Is that correct?
Can't say Your Honor.
You can't say, or you are shy to mention.
No, I can't say whether it's politically
Thank you.
instigated or not.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Now, let us turn to what brings us here.
Yes.
You are aware that Mr. Nuru Okanga has been charged over 3 notable offenses. Is that correct?
I'm not aware, Your Honor.
You are not aware.
Yes, Your Honor.
You have informed the court you are a police officer.
Yes, Your Honor.
You have mentioned you are an investigator.
Yes, Your Honor.
And as far as this matter is concerned before this honorable court, what was your single duty in relation to this matter?
Arrest.
Arrest.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Now, speaking about arrest, you, of course, cannot be taking or illegal directions from your superior. Is that correct?
Definitely, Your Honor.
You must be informed that the directions or the commands you are getting from your superior are legal in nature. Is that correct?
Correct, Your Honor.
So does this, in other words, tell us that when you are given instructions, you must be curious to establish why you are being told to do certain things?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. So with relation to this issue, there is a video or videos that are mentioned where Mr. Nuru Maloba Okanga is said to have mentioned certain utterances. Have you, in your own capacity as PC Milton Mwanzi, watched the videos?
Not the whole video.
Yes, no. Have you watched the videos?
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you, PC Mwanzi. We are doing so well, right?
Yes.
Now, you mentioned these videos as trending videos. Is that correct? So how do you arrive at the conclusion that it is a trending video? Explain to Your Honor.
A trending video is something that has gone viral.
Yes.
Yes, Your Honor.
So what is the measure that it has gone viral?
Going
Because
viral
if-
means being shared severally.
Yes.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Now, with regards to this trending video, you mentioned has been shared severally. Under what platforms can you inform Your Honor it was shared severally?
I think I stated there, TikTok among other social media, but mostly TikTok.
You are here, PC, to give evidence before this honorable court, isn't it?
Yes, Your Honor.
So you mentioned including TikTok. We want you to enumerate for the benefit of the mind of Your Honor so that we are recording, isn't it?
True.
Tell us. It's TikTok, the other one,
Facebook,
Facebook, the other one.
yeah, those are the names.
We want even the minor.
Those are the names that I know.
Yes, just inform us even the minors. If you know others, other than Facebook,
Okay, it might,
and TikTok.
it might have also been shared on X,
Yes, minors.
yes, but not sure.
So just tell us, PC Milton Mwanzi, just tell us what is within your knowledge.
TikTok,
TikTok only.
yes, Your Honor.
You do not even know Facebook. You've just second guessed that probably it will have been shared on Facebook, isn't it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. So let us stick to what you know.
Yes.
Don't guess. Now, on this video that you see, can you please clarify to Your Honor that you are mentioning, you say that Mr. Nuru Maloba Okanga was addressing a gathering. Is that correct?
True.
Were you among the members of the public who are being addressed by Mr. Nuru Okanga
No.
in that gathering?
No.
No. Thank you. In your role as the arresting officer, did you arrest any other person who was probably in that gathering that you mentioned?
No, Your Honor.
Thank you. Do you know of any witness, either an account given before the court or a witness that gave evidence to you that was among the audience that was being addressed by allegedly by Mr. Nuru Maloba Okanga?
No, Your Honor.
Thank you. PC, Milton Mwanzi, you mentioned that you were tracking Mr. Nuru Maloba before you caused his arrest.
I didn't mention that.
Were you in the company of Mr. Samuel Kamau during his arrest?
No, Samuel was not with us.
Or was not with you?
Yes.
So he's been lying to court that he was there during the arrest.
I can't tell because I didn't read his
Thank you.
statement, so I don't know if he lied or he said that.
Thank you. So, but you mentioned to the Honorable Court as it has been confirmed, that he was arrested after he was tracked.
Monitored.
He was monitored.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Using your ability to monitor suspects, did you equally use that ability to identify where this recording was done?
It was not my work, Your Honor.
Just answer my question. Did you do or not? You know, it's...
I did not do.
Thank you. PC, we just need to move very slowly. So, were you also, were you in a position to tell the timing when this recording was said to have been done? Thank you. Now, PC, arresting a suspect from where we sit appears to us as a last measure when we are dealing with suspects. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ordinarily, what is the civilized way of dealing with a suspect of a crime? Especially a harmless one like Mr. Nuru Maloba Okanga. He's a student, that one. He's in secondary school. Yes. So what are some of the, from your training, some of the ways of dealing with a suspect before you can now go and cause his arrest?
When you meet him or during investigation?
During investigations, you want to have him arrested. We have said it's a last resort, isn't it? So what are these civilized measures that you have gone to Kiganjo and learned of dealing with a suspect before you can resort to the last measure?
Definitely there are recording of statements, collection of evidence.
Yes.
After that, you can take a file to the Office of the Director of Public Prosecution for counsel and advice.
Yes.
And definitely go for the person after having the final recommendations.
Are you advised to just rush and go and arrest people using our resources? Or you can, at the very least, also summon them to see whether they can present themselves?
There are instances where you can do it.
There are instances, isn't it?
Yes, yes.
And that means saving all the public resources, isn't it?
Yes, yes.
Thank you. Now, on this occasion, when dealing with Mr. Nuru Maloba Okanga, did you invite him for statement recording?
No, Your Honor.
No, Your Honor. Thank you. As the person given the responsibility of causing his arrest, were you persuaded that there were summons that were served prior to Mr. Nuru Maloba Okanga? Were there summons?
I can't tell you.
Thank you. So you just rushed and...
No, I didn't rush.
Yes.
I was instructed.
Oh, you were instructed.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. You obey commands, isn't it?
Definitely, Your Honor.
Thank you. Now, the month of June 2024, the 25th day of June, do you know what happened in this country?
Yes, Your Honor.
Please inform Your Honor.
There were demonstrations
Yes.
and a certain group of youth by the name Gen Z
Yes, yes,
entered the parliament
yes.
where they entered the parliament. Allow me to read them.
Yes, yes. Thank you, PC. Now, these demonstrations were with regards to what discomfort amongst the youthful members of this community, like Mr. Nuru Maloba Okanga.
To the best of my knowledge, it was about the finance bill.
Thank you, thank you. The finance bill of the year 2024.
Yes.
Thank you. Now, the events of the 25th were a culmination of so many demonstrations that were done prior in that single month. Is that correct? Thank you. You can mention, at least this is information that should be ordinarily within your knowledge, that even before, people who are seen either to sponsor, to fuel these demonstrations, had been arrested during this period of time. Is that correct? You are not aware. You know we live in this country. Yes, but you can't lie to us, isn't it? But it's fine, it's fine. It's fine. So, in closing, so that we allow also Your Honor to serve other Kenyans, the mobile phone confiscated on Mr. Nuru Maloba Okanga, you are aware of it, isn't it? There is a mobile phone that was taken during the arrest, isn't it? From the preliminary investigations that you conducted, is he the owner or the proprietor of what is called Riba News?
I did not conduct the investigation.
Or you did not conduct the investigation? At the time of arrest, weren't you curious to find out, you know, this thing that you've been watching?
No, I wasn't curious to find out because it was not part of my work. Apart from just apprehending him and taking him to the investigation team.
Thank you,
for
PC.
further investigation.
Thank you, PC. Your Honor, that is all from me. Unless the court has any question.
Any question? Much has been covered.
No, we are most obliged. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
There's a statement that you indicated to court that pertaining to the questions that have been put to you, most of them are not your questions. Now, tell us or elaborate what you meant by that statement.
I was asked questions on about whether I investigated the account that posted the information, on whether I investigated to know whether it was a replica or that information was doctored and not from the accused person before the court, whether I established whether the accused person operates some signals and whatever.
I think you can't go through all those questions.
Yes,
so
I mean, that's it.
if you say those questions are not yours, therefore, that is what we want you to
So those questions, part of the questions are for the investigation officer, and other questions are for the digital forensic examiners.
So, what was your main mandate on this case?
My main